Now I want to address if you have to take some kind of fluids or medicine, how to neutralize it for your highest good. So I want you to grab a pendulum if you have one. Tuning forks are also great. You can also use your hand. I'm going to show you all the ways that you can do to take out the negative effects of medication on you and then install energy that will be better for you so that the medicine and you harmonize together. It's all about bringing in harmony, because in Chinese medicine, we don't believe that anything's bad. Energy can be transformed and to bring harmony back. All right, so pause this if you're wanting to play with it and then play it again, or just watch it and then come back to it. So what you want to do is you want to have the item, okay, and you're going to ask if it has any negative effects on you. So I'm going to use the divining rod first, and I'm going to show you other techniques. And so sometimes you can also go into like already assuming it is and then asking for the damages to be removed. So are there negative effects of this item on my body? And so this is my divining rod, and that's my yes. Okay, so is it appropriate to remove these negative effects for me now? Yes. Okay, please remove all the negative effects on my body from this item now. And so then it's going to start spinning, which is whatever my clearing energy is. And so for me, it's this clockwise turn. Okay, and so I'm just gonna do it fast, but you want to actually just let it go through. But I'm gonna ask, please continue to clear across all time, dimension, space, and reality for me. Okay, so that's gonna continue on because I want to show you other techniques. So with a pendulum, where's my pendulum? This is right here. You can do the same thing. Okay, so pendulum is just any heavy object that is on a string. And so I'm just going to use this necklace because I can't seem to find my pendulum. So you want to make sure that you know what your yes and your no is. And so show me my yes. Okay, show me my no. And so rocking forward would be my yes. Sideways is my no. Okay, show me my clearing. So my clearing is clockwise. Show me my installing. Okay. So just practice this for a while and when you get used to your pendulum so that your energy with the pendulum syncs up. Okay, and I do it every single time because my body can change. So here, are there negative effects on this object for me? Okay. Is it appropriate for to be cleared? Okay. Please remove all negative side effects of this object from me when I use it. Please continue to clear until finished. Thank you. So that's how you would do it with a pendulum. Now, if you don't have any tools at all and you just wanting to play with it and test it because you're interested but you don't know how, okay, we can do other things with sound vibration. So anything that makes a loud noise to clear the energy, because everything is frequency and vibration. So here, I'm just gonna assume, and you can use a tuning fork to remove things. So please remove all negative side effects of this item on me. And you send the energy there until it finishes vibrating. And then you can ask afterwards, please install the energies and frequencies to harmonize this with my body. Okay, so you also would do that with the pendulum and the divining rod, whatever tool that you decide to use. So after you finish clearing, you would ask, please install the energies needed to harmonize for my body. Or you can also say, please energize the energies to optimize for my body. And the reason I like to use harmony and optimize is because sometimes something needs to be depleted, some things need to be boosted. We don't know what it is, but let's optimize it for your body. Does that make sense? Now, if you don't have any tools at all, I want you to get into the frequency of you being already healed and asking a higher vibration. So please remove any negative side effects of this item from my body. Then you clap. I like to clap 11 times or until I feel like it's ready, okay? And it has to be loud, crisp thuds. Then you can install. Please optimize this for my ultimate health, my healing, letting you use different words so you can play and experiment with it for yourself. Of course, at first you're gonna feel doubtful, but don't doubt, douse is what I say. So this is all just dowsing techniques, which means clearing. Okay. So please install the energies that will optimize for my body and healing now. Clap. And then let it sit for about 5 minutes and then test if it's ready by asking those questions and getting in touch with the heart. Is this now ready for me to consume? So you can do the same thing with medicine. I gotta take these things. And so I'm gonna do the same thing with your medication. You can actually put them all together at one time so you don't have to do every single one of them individually. And ask, and you can use whatever tool that I just suggested to you. You can do this technique with foods as well, okay? Like I know some foods that I am sensitive to, but sometimes I just want to have it, like chocolate or gluten, because I'm sensitive to gluten, and I'll remove those negative effects on me. So I feel like then I'm doing better and that my body actually gets rid of it sooner. So I hope that this helps you. You're healing, resting, and optimize your health. Let me know what techniques you try or if you have any questions. And let's all be at 100% of our perfect health. May you be free. May you find peace. May you have grace and courage.